happened since Tuesday. Today is Thursday, 17th, 2022. I'm a little under the weather. We've never been to this place before, public ground. We're going to find us a place to set up camp, and we're definitely going to go out and try to roost something tonight, or at least try to hear one goblin. Anyway, where we're at, Mississippi, March 2022. New ground.
Come on, man.
New ground in Mississippi.
On them Werthers, man.
Yeah, we've eaten enough Werthers to feed a small army. Anyway, we're gonna go get after the turkeys.
Oh Lord, look at that. Looks good.
I feel like it gets into more hardwood type stuff.
Where did we just drive and hit that private at?
Right there. We backtracked here. It's the best I could come up with what's right here.
Right.
All these little water networks, man. It's like there's that. Well, like what's in that down there? You know.
There's a little knoll right out here.
Yeah, I feel like it's super thick, but it actually looks a little bigger down here.
Oh.
What?
It may be easier for you to come pick me up after, because I'm going to walk a ways.
It's code, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to look for some tracks down here in this bottom.
We'll get out on this little knoll right here and listen out into this big bottom up here. Bunch of boot tracks coming in here. And them real fresh ones, so I figured this has kind of been blown up. It was a nice day today, so people probably been hunting. But sure enough, I get right off the edge of this little knoll. And there's turkeys up in this tree, and it's still there. I just can't find it to identify what it is, but it's making all kinds of racket in the limb. Okay, so it was a gobbler. The red shoulder dog sounded way off in the distance. And he gobbled right here in front of me, 80 yards. I'm way too close to this turkey. So I'm gonna have to let it get good and dark. And I'm gonna have to slip back out of here. Yeah, there's more than one turkey in front of me. Bryson, I'm standing where we need to hunt these turkeys from. I'm gonna have to sneak out of here now.
Blood on the shoe. Did you go listen? Got him.
Oh, shoot, is a game going?
About to be. Hello.
We got lucky.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Birds gobbling.
Look at that face. He knows it too. He's already looking. He's like, that ain't mine.
Dude, yeah, we got one roosted.
Where?
I mean, I got him Cole. I walked in on this spot, and
is he gobbling good?
no, but I walked in on this spot and was like, I might need to stop. And right before I stopped, I could hear commotion on the trees in front of me. So I just stopped, and then nothing. Then a hawk fired off way off in the distance. Oh, I mean, it's 80 yards.
Let me just tell you this. He wants to go look at a spot, and we might have to go buy some private ground. He's like, but we're going to get there, and it's going to be a good piece I'm excited to listen to. So we turn around, and he's like, I'm just going to go, just park right here. I'm going to walk out here on this point. And, maybe you can walk the road and find some sign, which I did.
Mm-hmm.
And
Tom tracks from
Yeah.
these turkeys.
And then he walks out there right where he pointed and walks right under a bird.
Like right where I pointed.
And he
got
calls-
it dropped on his head.
I dropped him on his head.
He
man.
calls
Before I
me
ever
to
even-
tell me. He calls me to tell me, and he's like, dude, and he was saying that over and over, like he was trying to say something. He's like, that, and then it's like, oh. like over the. It sounded like it was.
He could hear the
in
bird
his
gobbling
lap.
over the phone.
Oh my gosh! I didn't download the offline.
Me neither, and it's a huge mistake.
Trouble.
We're screwed. We don't have them. You need to tell John it's very.
Can you see?
Yes.
Well, we got, again, my voice is gone from being sick, but we got stormed on hard this morning. Started about 4 a.m., light rain, and it's about 5:20 now. They're gonna roll through until about 9 o'clock this morning, so we're not anticipating there really being a lot of hunting pressure. Because another wave of storms is coming, I think.
We're gonna be there though, just in case.
Probably gonna get a little wet this morning.
Sometimes it's not always rainbows and unicorns. Sometimes it's flu-like symptoms and severe thunderstorms.
Flu-like symptoms and severe thunderstorms. He's up there on that limb though.
Yep, we know which limb he's on. Thanks to you.
Unless he switched in the middle of all that.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's
5:43.
it goes from 100% at 6 to 53 at 7. Well, if that pushes up into us, I think that's why that percentage drops a little bit. If that west wind kicks in just a little bit more, it'll push it. We'll be in the clear.
Yeah.
Let's go kill turkey, man.
Kill turkey. No soft loads on that Benelli.
Do what?
No soft loading on that Benelli.
No.
Uh-oh. About to get rained on. Anyway, a little bit worried that this turkey might have switched limbs in the storm, but it's not gobbling up here. Oh, it'd be hard to shoot one with red dot or not. We've given it a good while now, and still nothing. We think we just heard a hen calling. It was either a hen or a hunter. Don't move. I'm not. What's up? I see it in the tree. I swear. Yeah. Oh, there. The head looks like a gobbler, but I can't see its chest. We got too close. We got too close, Nate. It's looking right at us. I'm just telling you, we're done. Obviously, it's not. It goes without saying where this turkey's at. It's been watching us down here this whole time. Mm-hmm. Taking the poncho off, taking it off, putting it on. It's looking right at us out of the side, off the. It's like sideways,
Yeah, kidding me.
It just looks like a freaking knot on a limb. It didn't look big enough to me, and it's because it's not standing. It's like sitting like a hen would nest on eggs.
It's hunkered down.
It's like hunkered down, so I didn't think it was a turkey, but it's the turkey. Let me ask you this. Is that possible that it's the one that you thought was closer to where we're at?
Yes.
bigger to me. Like I feel like it was like laying down on the limb earlier. You think?
In the tree. Isn't it?
Oh, it sounds like it to me.
Situation.
Okay, well, this turkey is still in this tree about 50 yards to my left that I didn't notice early. And we got some hens, or at least one hen that is in a tree not too far in front of us, 100 yards maybe closer. And she was yelping back and forth with us for a minute. I don't know.
Oh, see it.
Where? Oh yeah, I see it. What?
Yeah, yeah.
Now if this gobbler flies down to her, I ain't gonna be ready. That camera may never be the same. She's walking right to the gobbler. She's coming back this way. There he is. He's standing up. Bryson, I'm not ready and he's fixing to fly right to me.
Oh my God.
He's a long beard.
Oh my God.
Here, take the camera.
I got you. It's off. See. She's seeing. Yep. That's not good.
I could hammer him. videoing him. His head's about to get behind that tree from me. I might be able to get the gun up.
Get my hands ready.
Should I just pause the busting?
Is he facing us?
Yeah, he's facing us. Man, I'm getting tempted to bust him.
No. Oh, you're killing me. My arm's dead. I know one thing, we're gonna call in that other long beard.
I could smoke him right now.
Mm-hmm. Weird deal right here, buddy.
Guess I should have been a little more patient.
He might go right here.
If I knew he was going to do this on this limb for 5 minutes, I would have been more patient.
Right. My arm's dead. I'm still holding this camera on him.
He's looking down hard.
And he's looking at us. He doesn't know what we are.
I know. Oh my gosh.
What?
I thought he was about to do it. He pulled his wings out a little bit and kind of jerked, but then he didn't do it.
I'm getting tunnel vision.
Yes.
Oh yeah, here we go. Come on.
We just drained a whole camera battery on that situation.
We got another full battery.
I'm just thankful to be able to stand up, relieve myself. That bird was in that tree over there, 50 yards. We came in from right here and walked right underneath him. My pin I had dropped on him was over there, about 80 yards, which we felt like we were real close right here. And I don't know how I missed him to my left here. I was watching out this way. I wasn't looking for turkeys back the way we came. And he was kind of back the way we came. I just missed it. Then the hen came up and he saw her and started clucking and going kind of crazy, purring and clucking on the limb. And he'd done seen us from the limb many times, so.
Yes, it was really 10 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. We've been sitting at the same tree all morning. Well, I'm running out of battery. It's blinking at me. Bryson's got his camera. We're gonna talk about a
At this
plan.
point, I think we need to go eat and put a new plan together. Since we're so close to the truck.
You okay?
I guess, man. I'm damaging my life. Holding that camera.
I could hammer him. I got a partner now too. Can you spin that way?
This way.
Yeah. Coming all the way up. There he is. Same spot. Touch to the left. He might be down.
truck.
I bet that was frustrating a little bit. Like,
Yeah.
dude, I was watching them plain as
He
day.
told me 30 yards over.
I was watching them plain as day in that bottom. It may have been a little farther.